Hi everyone. Today I'm showing you something that I've been working on as a concept for communities for Bluesky, and I'm calling it RepSky. And this is a Chrome extension. So to begin, you can head on over to the Chrome store. You can just search for Chrome Web Store on Google, and you can search for RepSky. And so when you find that, here you can add it. I'm using the Brave browser, but it's a Chrome extension. You can just add it. And now I'll show you, once it's added, I'll show you how it works. So yeah, you can open the side panel, but it's for essentially now you can post on any website. So for example, if I go to YouTube and if this is just the first video, I'm just going to click it. I can post my thoughts directly on this website. So first sign in and just use your Blue Sky uh, username. So I'm just gonna put my little tester account, and yeah. So now I can post directly on this video. So I'll just post. Actually, I don't even really know what this video is about, so I'll I'll just put test post. And I can add pictures, just like all this other stuff is the exact same as what you have on Blue Sky. But you will notice that there's 10 out of 10 here, and that's because you get 10 posts per day um, right now, and that is because we want to be very careful on how people use this new widget, and because I mean our goal is not to create an internet troll box. So I'll just put test post, and so now that post is on this particular YouTube video. So if I go somewhere else, so say I'm on science news or whatever, you won't see any posts here because it's not there. But if I go back to this video, there it is. So I don't know necessarily what this is. It's just a way right now to do contextual posts. But the goal here is to create communities. So just a new way of creating a new concept of creating communities for Blue Sky, because people have been asking for this for quite a while. So here it is, and and it's also a way to try and avoid echo chambers from being created. It's not like this will prevent it, but at least if I'm commenting on say science news and I go ahead and I see something like this, like, oh, want to eat healthier, fine, I'll click that link, and you know maybe this is about, so this looks like it's about diet and nutrition, so I'll go ahead and create a post. Agreed, wellness starts with on your plate. Health and food is medicine. So, and I can even add video here if I want. So I'll just post that, and there's my post. It's specifically to this article. And if I wanted to, I could also add a video, right? And it would show up in the video panel. So if I go to Discover right now, you can see two posts that are there, because this is the start. And by the way, RepSky is very in beta mode, so there are gonna there likely be bugs. There likely be things that are not the best. So like for example, search. If I want to search for something right now, that search isn't there, but we are gonna add that very soon. So a roundabout way to search for something, you can search for something here. Like you can search for a user or whatever here. Um, so I'm gonna head back to home. So it like yeah, if I go to the YouTube video again, there's my post from the YouTube video. I can post on Reddit as well. Like I can scroll. I guess this post I could post directly on this page if I want. I could post directly on Reddit if I want. Keep in mind that there's a difference. Just because it says Reddit here, it's just because there's not enough space, but effectively, this is this URL here, and that's really what this is. And if I click this, I'd be posting on this URL here. And so my post would be specifically for this page. And I can go anywhere I want. I could go to an X.com page. I could go to a Bluesky post. It it doesn't matter. I mean, the the idea is basically this is a tool that allows you to create contextual um, communities. So posts that are contextual, and hopefully that will help create contextual communities. All right, that's all for now. Thank you.